નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 4, સબ્જેક્ટ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ, ચેપ્ટર નંબર 6, Ria's Journey, Part 1.
See, we use various modes of communication to travel, like horse cart, bullock cart, camel cart, then car, bicycle, bus, truck, train, steamer, aeroplane, etc. All these are the modes of communication to travel. Among all these modes, train is a mode of communication in which more than 500 people can travel at the same time. See, due to the less cost in the comparison of other modes, most of the people use train to travel. See, there are two types of the trains, goods trains and the passenger train. So, passenger train is used by the people to go from one place to another, and goods train, it is used to take goods from one place to another. So, our next chapter is also related to the journey in a train. So, let's start our chapter number 6, Ria's Journey. So, this chapter is about a girl named Ria and her journey in the train. So, let's start our chapter. So, Ria and Jia, they both were friends and they were very excited. Why were they excited? Because they were going in a train trip. Okay, so Ria was going to his uncle's house to Vapi and Jia was going to Daman with her family on a holiday. So as both the family has decided to go together in a train, so Ria's father has booked the tickets before 15 days for both the families. See, if you travel by a bus, then you no need to book the tickets, right? You can buy the tickets in the bus itself. But if you want to travel by a train, then you need a booking. Means you have to book your tickets before some days and confirm your seat. Okay? So, before the 2 days of their journey, Ria fell ill and doctor has told her to take the rest. So, Jia's father cancelled their tickets. So, both the friends have made many plans for their trip. So, now Ria was very upset. So, Jia told her that don't be so upset. You just take a diary with you so that you can write each and everything in that diary, and also take photographs and videos of your trip. So, whenever you will come back, I will see that and I will think that I was with you there. Okay? So, now the day has came when they have to go for their train trip. So, after having their dinner, they went to the Gandhidham station to get their train. So, when they reached the station, after some time, the train has arrived. And there were some passengers already sitting in the train. So, the train has departed at 7:50 from the Bhuj. And Bhuj is the main station of Kutch. Departed means the train has started from the Bhuj, that is the main station of the Kutch, at 7:50 p.m. And what was the name of their train? name of the train was the Kutch Express. Okay, so when they went nearby their coach, see, if you have seen train, then you can see that there are many coaches in the train, right? So when they reached their coach, they saw that many of the peoples were pushing each others, then some of the passengers are getting inside from the single door also. So there was so rush there, and her father also felt that someone was pushing him. So he told everyone that the train will wait here till 15 minutes, so don't get hurried. Okay, so somehow they managed to get into the coach and they get their seat and put their luggage in the proper place. Till then the train also started. So the Riya and her mother got the window seat, and her father and brother Himaks, they got the middle seat. And near to them there was one family, and in that family there were the two children like them also. So after some time the ticket collector has came to check the ticket. See, in the bus we have seen that there is a conductor which gives the ticket. In like that only in train there is a ticket collector. We call him as a TC, the short form of ticket collector. Okay, so he comes to check everyone's ticket and to find that if they are in the proper place or not, if they have a ticket or not, or traveling without ticket or not. If anybody is found traveling without ticket, then they have to give the fine, and even sometimes they are allowed to get out of the train in the next station also. So when the ticket collector came and checked the ticket, if they are in the proper place or not. So after 1 hour the train stopped at one station. Then the Riya saw outside from the window there was written that Samakhyadi Junction. So she asked her father that why it is written junction after the name of the station. So her father explained her that where two or more train tracks are connected, it is called junction. See, you all know that train runs on a tracks, right? So if two or more than two tracks are connecting at one place, then it is called a junction. So that now the train has reached the Samakhyadi Junction. So there were two tracks. One track was going to the Ahmedabad and another track was going to the Palanpur. So now that train was connected to the track which was going to the Ahmedabad. So after 2-3 minutes their train departed from the station. Departed means the train moved from the station or left the station. So the two tracks were separated from one another. Her father showed her this from the window. Then their train left the station and she was observing outside the window. So she saw like a white bed sheet was spread on a big plain ground. It was looking like a white bed sheet in the light of the moon. So her father told her that this is the small desert of Kutch. It is look like a white bed sheet spread on it because of the layer of salt on it. So many of the Agariyas, they do the harvesting of salt in these areas. Agariyas means the people who make the salt and sell it. Okay, in short we can say that the people who produces the salt. And we can also see various heaps of salt in these areas. So after some time Riya seems that the train was moving or passing through a bridge. She saw the lights of some of the vehicles on it. So she asked her father that which bridge is this? Then her father said that it is a Surajbari bridge, and it is also called the entrance of the Kutch. Okay. Now he said that before this bridge was made, there was the only one way by which the train has to go to Ahmedabad through Palanpur. Means train goes to Ahmedabad via Palanpur and it will take more time. But after this bridge was made, it was so easy for the trains and it takes much less time to reach. Okay. So now it was the 11 o'clock at night. So her father told everybody to go to the slip. So as you know that in the train you can get the toilet facilities, on each and every facilities you can get in the train. So after doing her every night work, she went to the slip. Okay, till here everybody understood the chapter?
Thank you for joining us.